Hi there, welcome back to A Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie and today we are talking creative memories, and I don't know if I dare say this. I think this is it. Could that possibly be? I don't know. I think this is the last of my 12 by 12 stuff that I haven't gone through. I know no sooner than I say that than I'm going to find a mystery pile hidden somewhere, but I think this is it. I think this is the last pocket of 12 by 12 stuff that I have tucked away. Other than, of course, things like my kits, like my page kits. I haven't gone through that, and that's obviously 12 by 12 paper. But you know what I mean, right? Like the big bulk of my colored collection stash. I think this is it. Okay, so I have quite a few different collections. I think I am going to do something similar as what I've been doing with all the others, in that I'm going to just pull out the cardstock and we'll deal with the embellishments separately in a different video. I think that just makes the most sense. I am going to add these to my closet, and what I've been doing there is I've been hanging them on coat hangers. And while these bags that Creative Memories kits come in are great, they don't give you a lot of give for that solution that I'm using. So I am going to use some different bags that I have. So these will just go back. I will repurpose these bags for other things, but they are going to come out of here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the pocket cards or the journaling cards yet. So I will figure that out too. So let me first of all deal with what I do know, because if nothing else, that's always a great place to start. So these are all the embellishments that I have pulled out. We will deal with these another day. Baby steps. I'm just going to put that aside. Okay, let's talk about Believe in Yourself. So this was a mystery box, and I actually like the Creative Memories mystery boxes. This one I did not care for at all. I'm not really big in this whole, you know, believe in yourself, you know, pat yourself on the back kind of thing. I don't know, it just feels very awkward for me to use in my scrapbooking. So, okay, let's see what we can salvage from this. I am going to salvage the cover sheet. It's decent cardstock, so we'll use that as a white paper. This side here has those you are enough, joy, love, all that kind of stuff. Again, if that was the best side, I would be purging these, but I actually don't mind this back side with this mountain scape. I'm going to add these to my travel section, so I am going to be splitting this one apart. We've got stripes and pluses, totally usable. Again, I wish they would come out with cardstock instead of paper, but I get it. This is their thing, right? And I will continue to buy Creative Memories because I do like their product. I just wish the paper was cardstock. We've got the black, and we've got, I think these are supposed to be geese, flying geese. That seems to be a theme. I'm just going to add these to my black section. This is the cut aparts, which do nothing for me, so I'm just going to add these to grid section that I have in my color section. We've got stars, and then the back side is this kind of wavy hash. I don't know what else to describe it. It is what it is. This will go in my blue. And then the last two papers is this kind of underwater bokeh look, and then a firework. Could use this for Disney, but I would probably more likely use this side, so that's also going in my blue section. As for the stickers, are there some in here that are, you know, that I would consider using? Possibly, but to be honest, I just don't want to deal with it, so I will be purging these stickers. Now, as for the rest, I did say these would be going in my closet, hanging up, and I changed my mind on some of these. So Harvest Delight I left as its own collection. I put it in a sleeve. This is going to go in my fall. Sweater Weather, I have the designer pack, the texture pack. I also have the lasers die cuts, which I'm going to keep in here just because I have no other place to store them. And I think I also have one other kit in here. I can't remember what the name of it is now, but I do have one other. So there's three paper packs in this one. This one has also 3 packs. I've got Summer Lovin' and Feelin' Bright, because I think these are very summer-ish colors. And I also put in here, it kind of has a tropical feel to it, and you could argue that it could go in travel, but I live in California and basically the tropical feel is palm trees, so summer still works for it. So I'm going to throw that in there. I have Winter Woods. This does have a winter theme to it, although much of this could be used for outdoors. So again, you could have crossover. Because of the winter element in it, I am going to add it to my winter section. Shabby Chic Rose, this was another mystery box, and I'm just going to put this in every day, although you could argue that it's got a vintage vibe and should go in vintage. And then I've got Travel Log, obviously going to go in my travel section. Pineapples and Palms is also going to go in my travel section. I also had 2 of these kind of seaside kind of kits. These are also going to go in my travel / vacation sections. And I did opt to leave the pocket cards in here. I just kind of split them so that they would lie a little bit flatter. And like I said, these are going to go in the closet. Sorry for the glare. And yeah, that does those. Now you'll notice this is in one of those bags with the hangers. Again, this is going to go in the closet. It's deep in the woods. It has a very outdoorsy vibe, leaves, trees, bark, all that good stuff. I've also left the frames and the laser cuts in here. And I also have this collection of items that I think all has the same feel. So I have Simple Vintage Great Escape in here, as well as Cartabella Outdoor Adventures and a Kaiser Craft Open Road collection. And I've got some 49 and Market. So this is a real hodgepodge, but all of this to me has a very outdoorsy kind of theme to it. So I'm going to put these all in this particular bag because I would likely use these all together, probably to document like a trip to Yosemite or something similar. And then that is going to go in my travel / vacation section. Even though this is more outdoors, I equate places like Yosemite and that kind of thing and camping with vacation. So I think that is it for this. Let me put this stuff away and we're going to wrap this one up, and hopefully soon I should have a video dealing with the embellishments. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I do appreciate it, and I hope your organization projects are going well. Let me know below what it is you are working on, and until next time, happy organizing.